kindergarten. So Science Safety Toothless and I are back together with you to teach you how to work with a partner. Do you know what working with a partner is like, Toothless? No? He says no. Working with a partner can help you be safe in the science lab, and it can make it more fun, right, Toothless? Yes, it can. Well, let's take your goggles off because today we are going to work together to look at eye color. Because when we use the power of observation, we use our 5 senses. So that's our ears, and Toothless has ears too, our eyes, our nose, our mouth, and our power of touch in order to succeed and collect that data. That's the research that we're looking for. So today, when you do your activity, you're going to look at your own eye color using a mirror, and then you're going to look at your partner's eye color. So let me take a look. Science Safety Toothless, can I see your eyes? Now, when you do it, you should look directly like at your partner like Toothless and I are doing. Good job, Toothless. Now, I would say Toothless's eyes are kind of like a goldy green. What do you say? Good job, Toothless. Good stay. All right. And then I would look in a mirror to see my own eye color. Now, it's going to be crazy because Miss Bender's going to come real close. What do you think my eye color is? I kind of think it's like a blue-green. What do you think? And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to put Science Safety Toothless down so I can show you. Bye, Science Safety Toothless. Thanks for joining us. What you're going to do is in your interactive notebook, we already had those pages filled out. So what I want you to do is turn to page 2. This is where you put your new page that we had to turn. We had to fold it in half and glue it in here vertically so it would fit. And the reason I'm really close this time is some of my friends said they couldn't really see. So I'm hoping with this video, you can see a little bit better. So we turned our thing vertical, and I still have my header. Partners keep records. So once I glued it in, at the top, those top 8 boxes, I put ways that partners can actually help each other. So one of them is they can play together. They can ask questions to each other. But down here, this is where you're going to do your eye stuff. Over here, you're going to pick the color that the person's eye is. So we'll say mine are closer to blue. And I would take a blue crayon and color in a blue. Now, Toothless is a gold. So I'd take a gold crayon and go in a new column and color that one in gold. And if Miss Bender had another partner, her husband, his eyes are blue. So I would come back to my blue column and color in a whole nother box, blue. And then these are called tally marks. And a tally mark is one line for each person. So since I have 2 people with blue eyes, I'd put how many tally marks? Right, 2. So we're going to put 2 tally marks in blue and 1 in gold for Science Safety Toothless. And then down here at the very bottom, we're going to practice our numbers. And we're going to say the color blue had 2 and the color gold had 1, okay? And that's what we're going to do for our hands-on and our interactive notebook. So once you do that, I want you to take a picture of your interactive notebook and turn it in so I know you did your hands-on lesson. Well, Science Safety Toothless is over there enjoying some treats, so I can't get him back this time. But bye, guys.